In this video, I'll show you how to play All I Ask by Adele.
I won't say a word. They've all been said before, you know.
So the song is in E major. Here's an E major scale. And the song starts with an E major 7 chord, which we can play having an E in the bass. Then we have a G sharp, a B, and a D sharp on top, so like this. Then we move on to a G sharp minor chord. For this one, we can play the same notes on the right hand, and we just change the bass like this. Then the next chord is an A major chord, and in this case, we'll just keep the same notes on the right hand with playing A here. So an A major chord would be this. We'll be playing this, same notes on the right hand, and you'll see the pattern we'll play. It'll make sense in a minute. And then we have a B major chord, same notes, only that the G sharp is now an F sharp and B in the bass. So the pattern looks like this. First we have D sharp on top, then we play G sharp, B. Same thing, but now having E on top. So E, G sharp, B. Same thing, now with F sharp on top. F sharp, G sharp, B. It sounds like this. Again. So we'll repeat that pattern for the first 3 chords of the song, just changing the bass. We have E, G sharp, and A. So we'll do this. And the 4th chord does something different, which is in the B major chord. It's a B major chord. So instead of doing this, we'll change the G sharp for an F sharp. So we'll do this. So you see, very similar. The only thing that changed was the G sharp. And then instead of repeating that pattern twice, we'll do this differently. We go here to an F sharp on top, playing with a B. Then we do F sharp, B, G sharp like this. F sharp, B, G sharp. Then again F sharp, B, A. Then F sharp, and then we go to the beginning. So like this. We use the pedal. Sounds like this. So let me play it all together for you. And it just repeats. Those 4 chords are repeated twice. And then when it does it the second time, it then changes to this. You see there's a transition to the minor 6th. So the song is in E major. Then we go to the 6th of the scale, which is a C sharp like this. It sounds like this, the transition. So here, so I do C natural here, then D sharp here, together, then an F sharp, then a C natural, sorry, it was just this one, C natural, then a G sharp, and then all over again. So it's and it then goes over to a C sharp minor, Then it does this pattern here. So we've got a C sharp and an E on top with a G sharp here. Then a B and here we have a B and an E with a G sharp. Then we have an F sharp minor, 7. And then a B, 7.